Add animated transitions to any video to enhance your content. First, go to the point on your timeline where you want to insert your transition. Click Tools and select Transition, or press the T key. Click here to select the type of transition you want to add. A list of all the available transitions is displayed. Hover over the name of a transition to preview it. Some transitions support direction customization, enabling you to choose which direction the transition moves in. Once you select your transition, you can increase or decrease the inward and outward duration of it using these arrow buttons. To preview what the transition will look like in your recording, click this Preview button. To save the transition, click OK. A green span will show on the timeline where you added the transition. To edit or delete the transition, select the green span, click this transition icon, and either make your changes using the transition menu, or click this trash icon to remove the transition. If you add a transition at the start or end of your recording, the transition will move in from an empty screen. This screen is filled with the color you have selected for your canvas here. To choose a different color, click this dot. Capture, create, share with ScreenPal.